Hello everybody, this is Paul from EMD Automotive at Caringbah. Mercedes-Benz E55 supercharger. Came in for actually a battery light was on and a noise from the front. Took the supercharger belt off, drive. Now what I found is this pulley here. Look at that. The pulley is pretty much just about to come off. Luckily the customer put the car over before that breaks. So what I'm gonna do is, because this car here it's a older model, but I'm gonna replace that pulley there, that one there, this tensioner here, pulley here, even though that looks alright, but they're just the old age. And there's one more, this little tensioner there. It's hard to get to it. That one there. I'll replace that one as well. And this belt here looks alright for now, but I'll put a new belt as well, because what's the point putting a new part with old belt? It doesn't look like. Probably get another belt, probably another 25 to 20,000 out of this belt before you replace it. This one here looks alright. So that one sorted out. The noise, I found the noise for this Mercedes-Benz. It's just that one there. So parts will be here tomorrow, probably next week. Monday I'll find out where they are. And the battery, auxiliary battery was on as well. The light came on the actual dash. So that little auxiliary battery is here. It says 12 volts, 12 ampere hour, 170 amps. Alright, and I've got my tester hooked up to it, and all I got is 6.4, and that's why the actual computer is telling the actual dash display the fault with the battery, because it's not holding charge. And it's hit around here somewhere, right there. But before that, there's a relay in here as well. There you go, there's a relay, switch relay in here. So those relay, they always play up on this model and cause a lot of problem with the actual auxiliary battery. So I'm gonna check the wiring as well. From there, the wiring from there, you see the red wire there, comes to here. To there, which connects to the battery terminal on both sides. So yep, I'll get that sorted out next week, and then double check everything and we'll go from there. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.